did you just say? You can make chocolate mousse that has protein in it because you're using tofu? Yes, let me show you how. We're gonna soak some dates in hot water. Dates are gonna be the sweetener for our chocolate mousse. You just wanna soak them for about 10 minutes. In a blender, we are gonna add our silken tofu. This is gonna make it super creamy and it's gonna add protein to our mousse. So next up, we're gonna add our soaked dates to the blender along with our plant-based milk. I am using cashew milk today. Use any dairy-free milk that you wish. Melt some dark chocolate in the microwave and add it to the blender. Dark chocolate is high in antioxidants. Give it all a good blend. Yes, there are only 4 ingredients in this super easy chocolate mousse. I don't know about you, but I sure do love guilt-free sweet treats. And chocolate mousse is one of my favorites. But hey, it can be healthy and it can also be absolutely delicious. When you're buying your dark chocolate chips, try to buy them where the package says it has at least 65% or greater cacao. And if you haven't done so, be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love to send inspirational videos your way on how you can eat and cook an anti-inflammatory diet.